Impala fans, here's one for the record books. I featured this car a long time ago. Last year, I believe. But you know, we're heading into car season down here in Florida. It's October now, and these cars are starting to come out. And it's exactly... I hope they don't mind if I help myself to some fake food there. It's really cool. But look at this interior, folks. Outstanding condition. Oh yes. I'm going to show you a feature over there under the dash. I remember now. I don't know if it's coming through in the camera, but this car is supremely well done. Very, very nice car. It is a tri-power car. Very good. Boy, the style, the lines, the bright trim all contribute on this black paint to really make it stand out. Definitely complimentary interior. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. See that glass canister right there? A lot of people don't know what that is. I didn't know what it was. It's hooked to the ashtray. And what happens is when you activate it, there's a motor and it takes all the ash from the ashtray and sucks it into that jar. It's an automatic ashtray cleaner. Only from the minds of GM. How about that? What a beautiful, beautiful trophy this one is. 1958 Impala. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.